Before we can ease the existing restrictions, we must ensure the government's 5 tests are met, that the number of cases are falling, that death rates are declining, that the NHS has what it needs, and that measures are in place to stop a second peak overwhelming the NHS. And the government has committed £100 million to boost remote learning for those who need it most. Our newly launched Oak National Academy is supplementing all the work going on by schools and teachers by providing 180 video lessons each week.
We are now testing in more settings. We're able to let more people come forward for testing because testing capacity is ramped up. But the peak of hospital admissions has now passed, particularly in London, where we saw the steepest rise and we have now started to see the steepest fall. We are seeing the benefits of complying with social distancing measures and the reduction in transmission of the virus in the community is beginning to have an effect on fewer people in critical care. It does appear that we are past the peak of deaths too, and we are beginning to see a decline in the number of deaths.
The British public have shown amazing stoicism and understanding of the need for the lockdown measures, and quite rightly they want to ensure that if and when they are eased, that they're eased in a way that makes sure that the British people's sacrifice has been worthwhile, and that we continue to operate in a way which means that public health comes first. And that's why it's so important that we consult with employers and with trade unions in order to make sure that people understand the guidance about working safely.